Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and today we're going to vacuum seal a mason jar full of dehydrated vegetables. Now what I did was I got a dehydrator and I tried dehydrating frozen peas because I'm told frozen vegetables are the easiest to dehydrate. Let me tell you, even when I put the parchment paper on, they just rolled all over the place. And then after they were dehydrated, it was still hard to get them into a bowl. So I've dehydrated frozen vegetables, which didn't roll as much, and now I want to seal it. So this is from Food Saver, and Food Saver has these tops, and you can use them on the Food Saver thing. I don't have Food Saver, so what I have is I have to put this on fairly straight, and what I have here is a brake bleeder pump, I guess you would call it, and it's for bleeding brakes. I don't know, do they still bleed brakes now? They used to bleed the shoe brakes or the drum brakes. I wonder now if they do the disc brakes. Couldn't tell you. So I'm going to put this in here. The thing is, this doesn't quite fit, so you have to kind of hold it tight. And then I'm going to pump right here, this handle, and I'm going to pump it until it gets hard. There's a pressure gauge here, but the different videos have said different things. Some say just pump till you can't pump anymore. Some say pump till you get to a certain pressure. I found that if the jar isn't full enough, you're going to be pumping for quite a while. Okay. Right now I'm pumping away, and it's getting harder and harder to do. And I'm going to try when I'm finished here to show you the gauge. I really can't pump anymore here. I'm almost at, let's see, can you see that? Oh, probably not, it went to 0. So then I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to hold it by this to make sure that it's sealed. So that's it, and I'm just going to put this on, and we should be all set. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, let us know anything about dehydrating and vacuum sealing jars. Thank you very much.